Today we're going to make a 20 subscribers play button. I got 20 subscribers on my last channel. Now I got 22. So let's make a 20 subscribers play button. Put it in my closet. Let's see here. Do I have a pen? Let's see here. There it is. And now we can make a 20 subscribers play button. Okay. Okay. This doesn't show. What can we do? Because I'll do it harder. Missed the logo a little bit, that's okay. Okay, let's try again. I'm just kind of messing up. Okay. Now write my name. I'll just put CC for short. CC111. Now I'll put where I started. 2021. Alright. There's my 20 subscribers play button. It's fake. I'll hang up on my wall. By the way, that's it for this video. I'll post that video first thing tomorrow morning. By the way, I just wanted to thank you, like I said earlier, for 20 subs on my last video. I'm trying to reach 90. Yeah. So, bye.